Well, I was the one who built the program. When we started, we didn't have not even 2 or 3 things that we have now. We have grown so much, and we have grown because of the students and for the students, because we want them to have the best experience when they're learning. They're going to learn a little bit of chemistry, a little bit of physics, a lot of math. So you have to have the theory, but you're also going to have to practice. And that is what makes you master it. Because it's like you see it, you understand it, and then you make it.
Our institute is very special because we are very passionate instructors. We are dedicated to teach our students success habits for becoming a really good professional.
If you really love what you do, you don't have to go to a job. It's like you go to a place that you're happy. And if you work happy, you transmit that. And you do that to the breads that you bake. If you put love and you're happy what you're doing, the bread is going to come out amazing. I love what I do, so I want to transmit to my students the passion that I have for baking. And I think if they put that into their careers, they're going to succeed.